a community-based health plan and a cooperative that can support our community in ways like this.
We had more visitors, more pumpkins than ever this year, thanks to our sponsors, Group Health Cooperative, of course, being one of the premier sponsors. It really is about the sponsors and getting the prize money to draw growers from all over the region.
This is fantastic. Even with the rain, people just keep coming and coming, so it's great to see. It's great to see all of the kids out and about. This is just a great community event that I'm happy that Group Health is a part of.
Jacob Marenser was the winner. He's from Kansas at 2,183 pounds. Because of the generosity of our sponsors, we were able to offer $2,000 extra for the site record. 533. It ended up that the one that Group Health selected, Orange Crush 2, was the winner.
That's 2 for Group Health, 0 for Wisconsin Credit Union.
3, 2, 1, go! Boom! All right, go get it!
In spite of the weather, it was an incredible event. The turnout was great. The vendors all did really well, and we had a good party for the community. First and foremost, thank you, and not thank you just for putting in the money, but for being down here, being involved in our community. That's really important. I know you had runners here today, you had people in the dessert contest, you're up on stage. That's really important part of this.